Welcome. In this video I will show you how to control your Hisense Smart TV with your phone. So, if you are using an iPhone, first open the Play Store and search for the VIDAA Smart TV application. Once you find it, tap Install and wait until this application is installed on your smartphone. And if you are using an iPhone, then respectively go to an app store on it, open the app store and search for VIDAA application. Once you find the VIDAA application, tap Get next to it and wait until it's installed. Let me enter the password. Next, you're gonna have to check whether your TV and your phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To check the Wi-Fi connection on your TV, you have to press the left arrow key from the home menu to go to the navigation. Then using arrow keys to navigate and OK to select, go to Settings, scroll down to Connection and open this menu. Then go to Network, open Network, then Network Configuration, and here make sure that the connection type is set to wireless and check the network which your device is connected to. This network has to have the checked circle icon next to it, and make sure that both your iPhone and either your iPhone or your Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you made sure of that on your Android device, let me just increase the brightness slightly, it's just too low. So on your Android device, open the VIDAA application and select Connect Device, select your TV, and then provide the PIN code you see on your TV screen on your phone. Okay. Now tap Take Me to Home on your phone. You can sign in if you want to. And now to open the remote menu, you have to tap on Remote right here. And now you can control your TV using your smartphone easily. Just in the way that your remote works, you can now use your phone. And now let's check if it's any different for iPhone. So first we're gonna have to close the application on the Android device, and to disconnect you can just expand the list. You just have to press the X icon next to your living room TV. Then basically just exit this application. Now let's check if it works in the same way on the iPhone. So let me grab an iPhone real quick. Let's open the application on the iPhone. The iPhone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Tap Agree once again, Connect Device, select this device on the iPhone and provide the PIN code once again. Take Me to Home. Everything works in exactly the same way, so you just have the remote button right here, and right now we can basically control this TV from using the iPhone. And just like in the case of the Android device, you just have to leave this application to stop being connected. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.